When integrating quotations, it's generally helpful to avoid starting a sentence with a quotation. This is because the switch between your voice in the previous sentence and the quotation's voice in a current sentence could be abrupt. One way to make that change in voice more gradual is to add an introductory clause before the quotation. There are two ways we can integrate a quotation with an introductory clause, using the word that or using a comma. When using the word that to add an introductory clause to a quotation, you will usually begin with a citation or reference to the authors, include the word that, and then include the quotation. For example, here we have Johnson et al., 2010, stated that, and then our quotation. When using that before a quotation like this, you don't need to include a comma, and the first word of the quotation is lowercase. Another option for adding an introductory clause to a quotation is to include a comma. With this approach, you will often begin with a citation or a reference to the authors, and you will then include your verb and a comma. For example, here we have Johnson et al., 2010, stated, and then the comma before our quotation. There are other verbs you could use here, like noted or said, as well. However, a specific formatting element for this example is that because we're introducing this quotation as dialogue, we capitalize the first word of the quotation. Those are the two main ways you can incorporate an introductory clause before a quotation to help transition between your voice as the author and your source's voice in the quotation. And our recommendation is to practice with both options so you can use both to integrate quotations into your writing.